Living in Miami Beach means enjoying beautiful coastal views, warm ocean breezes, and sunny skies year-round. But along with the perks of tropical living come challenges like high humidity, extreme heat, and strong winds. For homeowners in this unique environment, achieving consistent indoor comfort is essential, and one of the most effective yet often overlooked ways to do that is through professional door installation. While doors are primarily seen as entry points, they also play a major role in regulating your home's temperature, energy efficiency, and overall comfort. Here's how having your doors professionally installed can make a significant difference in how comfortable your Miami Beach home feels every day. Proper sealing prevents air leaks. One of the biggest culprits of indoor discomfort is air leakage. Poorly installed doors can leave gaps around the frame, allowing hot, humid air to seep in and cool, conditioned air to escape. This not only strains your HVAC system but also causes uneven indoor temperatures and higher utility bills. A professional installer ensures that your new door is sealed tightly and aligned perfectly, eliminating unwanted drafts. With a proper fit and quality weather stripping, you can maintain a consistent indoor temperature, no matter how hot or muggy it gets outside. Enhanced insulation reduces heat transfer in Miami Beach. The sun can be relentless. Without proper insulation, exterior doors can act like heat magnets, allowing warmth to radiate inside and make your home feel stuffy or uncomfortably warm. Professional door installation includes using energy-efficient doors with insulated cores or dual-pane glass, in the case of sliding or French doors. These materials help minimize heat transfer, keeping your indoor spaces cooler during the hottest months and reducing the need for constant air conditioning. Humidity control for better air quality. High humidity levels can make even air-conditioned spaces feel damp or clammy. Improperly installed doors can allow moisture-laden air to enter your home, which may contribute to mold growth, musty odors, and uncomfortable humidity indoors. A professional installation ensures that your door fits snugly in the frame and includes moisture-resistant barriers and proper sealing techniques. This helps control the level of humidity that enters your home, improving air quality and comfort, especially during the rainy season. Noise reduction for a quieter home. Miami Beach is a vibrant, bustling city. Whether it's traffic from nearby streets, sounds of nightlife, or construction noise. If your door isn't installed properly or lacks soundproofing features, you'll likely hear more of the outside world than you'd like. High-quality doors installed by professionals often include acoustic insulation and tighter seals, which dramatically reduce outdoor noise infiltration. This creates a quieter, more peaceful indoor environment where you can relax, work, or sleep without constant disturbance. Smooth operation and safety. A comfortable home isn't just about temperature, it's also about ease of use and peace of mind. Professionally installed doors open and close smoothly, latch securely, and lock tightly. Poor installation, on the other hand, can lead to sticking, jamming, or alignment issues that not only frustrate you but also reduce your home's safety. By hiring a skilled installer, you ensure that your door performs exactly as it should, offering both comfort and security. Long-term efficiency and durability. Miami Beach's coastal environment can be tough on building materials. Salt air, humidity, and sun exposure can wear down doors over time, especially if they weren't installed correctly to begin with. Professionals understand the local climate and know how to anchor and seal doors to prevent premature wear and weather damage. This ensures your door performs well for years and maintains your home's energy efficiency and comfort long term. Final thoughts. Upgrading your door is about more than just aesthetics, it's about enhancing your quality of life. When installed professionally, a new door can significantly improve your Miami Beach home's indoor comfort, helping you stay cool, dry, quiet, and secure all year long. If you're considering a door upgrade, don't cut corners. Trust a local expert who understands Miami Beach's unique climate challenges and can deliver a seamless installation with lasting results. Your comfort depends on it,